Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can validate or check if your hard drive or memory card is actually legit or not. And also we want to check all those flash drives that say 1 terabyte, 256, even the ones that say 16 GBs usually are fake. So this tool allows us to check if the actual flash drive is real or not. And also this tool is completely free. So you can go ahead and click the link in the description to go here where you can easily click the download button, since this app is just less than 1 MBs. So once you download it, you want to go ahead and open it up. So once you open it up, it should look something like this. The tool name is Valley Drive. So once you click this check disk, it should bring up this dialog here. So what you want to do here, this is now a point where you want to plug in the actual drive that you want to test. So for example, I'll plug in mine right now. So once you plug in the drive, you'll notice that it should show you here the actual declared storage. So for example, if the drive was showing you 2 terabyte, then it should register here as 2 terabyte and the drive name should be here. So here what you want to do is now click validate this drive, then you click that. So this should start with the actual calibration. So here you just want to give it some time to do its thing. So once it's done, we'll check out the results. So here it's going to start writing to the disk, as you can see here. So as you can see, it's not writing like in one place, but it is doing it in random places. And depending on the type of drive that you have, it might take long to finish. So as you can see here, the way it has managed to do it, you can see that all the sectors or sections here are valid. So meaning this is indeed a 16 gigabyte flash drive. But if this was to fail, then you would know that that is a fake one. If you see any reds in random places, that does not mean that the drive is fake, but that can mean it has got bad sectors or it's just a cheap memory that was used in the actual flash drive. So once you're done, you can click close. Then here, as you can see, it should give you all the results. So here it can give you the declared and the actual validated size. And as you can see, so this memory stick is rigid, as you can see. And also at the bottom here, you can see some actual performance details. So once you have that, you can easily save it like that if you want to save it in a file, and it should save it, as you can see here. So this is one of the best tools that you can use to validate your memory card or your flash drive. So if you found this video useful, please give me a follow and like this video. See you in the next one.